Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you two important Google settings you should disable to improve your privacy and reduce background activity on your Android phone. You may even notice slightly better battery life. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Google. At the top, tap All Services, then go to Privacy and Security. First setting, Usage and Diagnostics. Open it and turn it off. This feature sends usage data and device information to Google for analysis. For most users, this is not necessary and only increases background activity. Disabling it helps reduce data sharing and saves some battery. Second setting, personalization with general data or similar personalization options. Go inside and disable the options that allow apps to use your device data for recommendations and suggestions. This reduces tracking and limits how your data is used for personalization. That's it. Just these two changes can improve your privacy and reduce unnecessary background processes on your smartphone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.